Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the neuron, and we're going to be first off drawing it, we're going to be labeling the structures, and then we're going to go into a brief description of the function of the neuron.
The cell body contains the nucleus of the neuron. It determines when or when not the neuron will fire. The dendrites contain a branching structure which connects neurons to neurons and receives the stimulus which will cause the axon to fire. The axon is a long myelinated or unmyelinated portion of the cell which carries on the action potential to the next neuron.
Okay, so example here, we have a myelinated neuron connecting to an unmyelinated neuron in the synaptic terminals to the dendrites of the unmyelinated neuron. In the myelinated axon, this electric signal has a very fast action potential because the signal jumps from node to node, whereas in the unmyelinated axon, the electric signal has to go through the whole axon without jumping at all. This process takes a lot longer.
When a sensory receptor is stimulated, an action potential is sent down the afferent neuron where it connects with the association neuron sitting in the CNS. That signal is then passed on to the efferent neuron, which then takes it to the effector, which can be a gland, a muscle, or something else. So as you can see here, the parts of the neuron include the dendrites, which get stimulated by stimuli and other neurons, the cell body, which contains the nucleus and makes all the decisions for the neuron, the axon, which propagates the action potential, and the myelin sheath,